Good afternoon, all. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's, we will start the 52nd lecture on course that is subject data structure using C. Here, vision mission of departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission. Three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching and learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Course outcome: after the completion of unit number 5, you achieve fifth CO, that is implement program to create and traverse tree to solve problems. Here syllabus, total 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Here syllabus for unit number 5. We continue the next point, that is last point, is a representation of graph in under two types: sequentially representation of a graph and adjacency list implementation of a graph. In that, adjacency list, adjacency matrix of directed and undirected graph. Representation of graph. Representation of graph is a process of store the graph data into the computer memory. Graphs can be implemented in the following two ways: using arrays as a adjacency matrix, that is said as the sequentially representation, and linked list as adjacency list, that is the linked representation. Clear that? Means representation of graph means what? In a computer memory, how to data store on that graph through two ways, which are first using array, using linked list. Array means in that store the adjacency matrix through, and in a linked list means adjacency list. Okay. In that first sequential representation of graph. Graph can be represented through matrix, that is array, in computer system memory. This is a sequential in a nature. This type of representation is called sequential representation of graph. A graph can be comfortably represented using an adjacency matrix implementation through a two-dimensional array. Matrix means, you know, in your first semester in a maths, matrix, in that matrix means rows and columns are there. Using rows and columns you form the matrix. Okay. This representation of graph is called as a static representation, that is a static graph. Graphs can be represented using matrices. Adjacency matrix is n into n matrix, means row into column matrix of A. Each element of A is either 0 or 1. On that matrix value is the 0 or 1. N into n means row and column. Assumptions: for example, G is the graph, V is the set of vertices, I and J is the edges connected with Vi and Vj. A of Ij is the adjacency matrix of element, I, J are the vertices. Okay. Not the vertices, it's the edges. If G is the directed graph, okay, means A of A and J, means A of that matrix is, how to write, is the 1 or 0. Okay, 1 if I to J exists, means path will be created I and J. I, J are the vertices. Okay. Not edges, vertices, means I and J vertices will be created. That time to write the 1, otherwise write the 0. If G is the undirected graph, okay, if the G is the undirected graph, means how to write the matrices A of I and J, 1 and 0. 1 when we write that if I to J or J to I exists, means create. Okay, the edges create in a I to J or J to I. It is the undirected graph, so not the direction will be created on that two vertices. So two possibilities are there, I to J or J to I. In a directed graph, one any direction will be created. I to j or j to I, whatever, means 1 is only for create that path direction or edges. So in that write the only for I to j. In that 2, because it is a undirected graph. Clear that? How to write that? 1 and 0 will be write that. Examples. Example 1. Consider the following undirected graph and provide the adjacency matrix. The graph has 4 vertices and it is the undirected graph. Okay, in that series it is undirected graph and 4 vertices are there. Which are the 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 1 to number of vertices. Okay, write 1 number of vertices, that is 1 to 4. 1 to 4 is created. So write the 1 number, that's like as a row. Sorry, that write 1 to number of vertices, that is 1 to 4 as a rows, and columns headers to represent it in a adjacency matrix. So what is the said as? In that we write, your aim is to write the adjacency matrix. In that matrix, how to form rows and columns, that is in a matrix. In that rows is indicate that the row is indicate the vertices and columns is the matrix representation. Sorry, not a matrix, adjacency matrix. That said as the column headers to represent its adjacency matrix, and is the vertices, that is as a row. Means okay, that 1 2 3 4 are vertices, so write the 1 2 3 4, and it's also 1 2 3 4. Okay, that write that zeros and 1 means we find the edges are on that nodes or that vertices created or not. If edges exist between any two nodes, write it is 1, otherwise 0. Clear that? Edges exist means edges created on that two nodes, then write 1, otherwise 0. Row and column headers indicates the nodes. Okay, that I am to showing that how to write 1 2 3 4. Clear that? 1 2 3 4 vertices, 1 2 3 4. 1 to 1 possible edges are created? No, so write the 0. 1 to 2 are present edges. 1 to 4 also present. 1 to 3 also present. So 1 to 2 present. So 1 to 2, 1 row, 2 column, write 1 value. After that 1 to 3 edges are present. So first row, third column, write 1. 1 to 4 edges present. So 1 first row, fourth column, write 1. Edges will be created. Exists. So next second vertex. 2 to 1. Sorry, 2 to 1 are there. So 2 row, first column, write 1 because edge will be created. 2 to 2 not. So second row, second column, 0. 2 to 3 edges will be created. So write a 1. 2 row, third column. 2 to 4 not, edges will be created. So write the 0. Clear that? Second row, fourth column. Only for write the some distance that. After that third 3 to 1 edges will be created, so write 1. 3 to 2 edges will be created, so write down. 3 to 3 no. 3 to 4 edges will be created, edges will be exist on that graph, present on that graph, so write 1. After the next 4 to 1 edges will be present, so write. 4 to 2 not, so 0. 4 to 3 present, so 1. 4 to 4 not, so 0. Clear that how to write the adjacency matrix? Okay. Another example. Example 2. Consider the following directed graph and provide the adjacency matrix. Okay. If the graph has 5 vertices are there and it is a directed graph, write 1 to number of vertices. Okay. That is 1 to 5 as a rows, and column headers represents it is the adjacency matrix. If edges exist between any two nodes, then write the 1, otherwise write the 0. In that, at I to j and j to I positions in a matrix, otherwise 0 will be matrix. 0 in the matrix. The representation of the above graph using adjacency matrix is given below. Okay. In that, it is the adjacency matrix. This point is important because in that board question exam is asked for write the adjacency matrix and adjacency list. So this points is important. 1 2 3 4 5, which how many nodes are, how many vertices are there, that are will be created firstly. 1 2 3 4 5, again 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, rows and columns. 1 to 1, no, 0. 1 to 2 present, so write 1. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, no, 3 to 1 are there because it is directed. Okay, so write the 0. 1 to 4, no, 0. 1 to 5, no, so 0. 1 to 2, not in that write the 0, in that write the 1, because in that it is an undirected graph, so not any given the direction, so possibility is that, so write the, in that mistake is there, in that not the write the 0, in that write the 1. 0 1 0 0 1, that 2 to 1, 2 to 1 write the, okay, in that change it on that matrix. After that 2 to 1, okay, 2 to 1 is also possible, so write the 1. 2 to 2, not, loop is not, so 0. 2 to 3, no any direction, directly direction is not possible, that this is possible, so write 1. 2 to 4 present, so write the 1, that 0 write, but that write the 1. The 2 to 5, no, so 0. Some mistakes are there, so that are clear that. 3 to 1, yes, 1. 3 to 2, 3 to 1 write down, yes, so in that 0 is mistake is there, 1 is right. 3 to 2 not connected, so 0. 3 to 3 not loop, so 0. 3 to 4 also 0. 3 to 5 write down the 1. Okay, this change it this question. Okay, only for directly connected data will be only for inserted 1 or 0. Okay, this is the second example. Advantages of array representation of graph. This is simple and easy to understand. Graphs can be constructed to at a runtime, efficient of the distance, means the loss of the edges graphs, simple to easy to program. Most of the implicit graph problems can be easily represented as a adjacency matrix with little or no pre-processing, right? Adapts the are easily to different kind of graphs. Disadvantages of graphs. Adjacency matrix consumes huge amount of memory for storing the big or large graphs. Adjacency matrix requires the huge efforts for adding and removing the vertex. The matrix representation of graph does not keep track of any information related to the nodes. Requires the graph access be command rather than the computations. The excessive amount of empty cells also reduce the efficiency of the sum of the traversal algorithms. Next point, that is the adjacency list implementation of a graph. There are many ways to representing the linked structure of graph. The information and edges must be stored in the node structure. This is a true irrespective of the structures we use. Consider the graph shown in below figure. This figure. In there is the many way representing the linked structure of that graph. The information and the edges must be stored in the node structure. This is the shows the edges, nodes structure. Okay, these are the A, B, C, D, these are the nodes. Where A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, the key values. If we wish to store the values of the nodes, then we can simply use the node list as a linked list as shown in that figure. These are the only for linked structure. Then now have to edges record. This is only for display the linked structure of that. Now you have to store the edges record. These edges will be created on that nodes. Okay, that the now have to edges record is by maintaining the edges list. The edges list is to be formed for the each node. Okay, and edge list is linked list all the nodes adjacent to given node. This is the adjacent node. C to adjacent node E, A, and D. So this is the C node. Right in the front of that, 3 nodes are there. That's like thus for node D, the adjacency node are C and E. Hence there will be 2 elements on that edges list of that D that are shown in a next in a figure that represent the adjacency list for the graph of that figure. Okay, it is clear that C adjacency which are the A, E, and D, D, E, and C, E, C, and D. Clear that? I'm showing that in that. This is the firstly list of that nodes A, B, C, D. A is only for C are there. Only for A, C. So A, C. A to C. B is not no any adjacency node, so not the right. Directly directly this the null. Null means no any value for that adjacency node. This is a linked list constructor is used. That 3 fields are there. Okay, in that list, link in that store the address of the next element. Okay, again in C, A, D, E, 3 adjacency nodes are there, so write down. For D, C, and E nodes are there, so write down. E, D, and C nodes are there, so write down. Clear that? After that, next example, first example there. Example 1. Consider the undirected graph in that figure. Provide the adjacency list. These are the undirected graph. Adjacency list is given below. First edges write down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is no any connected with. So 7 is the last, so connected with null. In that also no any edges for E next, so null. D, E, these nodes are. When any node are next node, then directly connected with the null. That also same. Okay. S2, 2, 5, and 4. So 2, 5, 4. 2, 1, and 3. 2, 1, and 3. 3, 2, and 5. 2 and 5. 4, 1, and 6. 1 and 6. 5, 1, 3, 6. 5, 1, 3, 6. 6, 4, and 5. 7 no any there, so not a write down. Clear that? In the figure example, second example, consider the weighted undirected graph in that figure to provide the adjacency list. In that given the weighted. So in that field write the weighted value of that node. Okay, adjacency matrix, firstly write the all nodes A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, A to which are the B, F, E. B, E, F. B's value is edges value 12, so write the 12. After that E value 15, so write the 15. 17, write the 15. Again B2, A, F, D, C. A, C. How to write? Anywhere. Firstly write the A, B, D, C, or C, D, F, A, whatever. Okay. Then write the A, C, D. That use the alphabetical means after that A, B, that's like A, C, D, F. D value 2 is 1, is 7, is 12, write down. The C2, B and D, 1 and 6. Right? is better to understanding and showing to is look like is beautiful when we write the after that alphabetical means B C E F, not write the E F C B means complication to checking for the examiner, so write in a simple way means using through alphabetical order. Okay, when we going to that D, D2 B F E C, B C E F, value B value is the 2, so write the 2, C value 6 6, E 10 10, O E value 14, so 14, F value 10, so 10. E to which are the A F D, A D F, A D F, A value 15, D value 14 and 19. F to 1 2 3 4, A B D E, A B D E, A value 17, B value 7, D 10 and E 19. Clear that? That's through write the adjacency list. The simple questions, easy are question, not the reduce that marks, adjacency matrix and list. Okay, their own marks are there. Next point, advantages of linked list representation of graph. Less storage of the space graphs, easy to store the additional information in the data structure like vertex degree, edges, weight, etc. Better space uses, better graph traversal times, generally better for the most algorithms. Disadvantages which are the generally take some pre-processing to create adjacency list. Algorithms involving edges, creation, deletion and querying edges between two vertices are better way with matrix representation than the list representation. Adding or removing an edges to or from adjacent list is not so easy as for the adjacency matrix. Following table in their comparison are given: array representation of graph and linked representation of graph. This method use matrix in the system. In this method is used linked list. In this method sequentially in nature. This method is linked in nature. In degree, out degree, path calculations can be carried out easily. Addition, deletion operations can be carried out easily. Execution time is high, execution time is low. It requires large number of memory, it requires less amount of memory in that large amount of memory. Adding or removing a vertex is complex, easy to simply to add and remove or delete a vertex. There is no pre-processing required, pre-processing is required. It is more powerful, it is less powerful as compared to matrix representation. Okay, it's easily right, but it is a complex. That is a static, constant, not changes for the execution time that changes. So these are the difference between are there. Next example, consider the graph given in figure that write the matrix also, list also. Give the adjacency matrix and adjacency list. Okay, these are the in that A, B, C, D. These are the row. A, B, C, D is the also column. In that rows, vertices names are given. The adjacency matrix. It is a not to write in this question. It is the print the some other questions answer. Okay, so it is not to consider it only for this and this consider it. A to A 0, A to B 0, C 0 only for D is, so D is write 1. B to same only for C is present, so write C2 only for write the B, so C to B write 1. D to A only for present, so D to A is 1. Other all are the 0 because not created the edges. Matrix A B C D, these are A to which are the D, so D write B C, so C B, so write D A. Clear that? Another second example, write the matrix and list. That matrix A B C D, A B C D, A to A no, A to B 1, A to C 1, A to D no created, D to A created, so write 0. B to A no 0, B to B 0, B to C created, okay, B to C going that edges, so write the 1. B to D no, C to A no, C to B also no, okay, C to C also no, C to D is created going that node edges, so write the 1. D to A write 1 going that edges, D to A, so write the 1. D to B is not, D to C is also not, C to D is going, not a D to C, so not the write that 0, and D to D also 0. In that write the A B C D, A which are the B and C, write B C, not a D, D is the incoming, okay, these are the outgoing, that are write down. B2 only for C, C2 only for D, D2 only for A, clear that? Another example, that also write A B C Y X C, A B Y X C, A B Y X C, these are the matrix that print not display the A, write the A in the notes, in your notes. Okay, A to which are the adjacent node, B, Y and X, so B, Y, X. After that B, A, C, Y, A, C, Y, Y 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, X, X, A and Y, C, B and Y is also only for A to which are the connected, B, Y, X, B, Y, X 1 or the remaining 0, B to A, C, Y, in a B row, A, C, Y, write down 1, remaining 0. This is the shortcut. Y, which are the edges are created, B, C, A, X, B, C, A, X, remaining is the 0. Also X, A and Y also write 1, remaining 0. C, B and Y write 1, otherwise remaining 0. This is another example, create an adjacency matrix and adjacency list for the weighted graph. Okay. Given the question in a weighted graph, then write the weighted value. Okay, that not the write the word weighted, so neither in that not the word is indicated that weighted graph, so not necessary to write the weighted value. Okay, in that said as the weighted graph, so write the value of that weightage. In that solution, adjacency matrix ABCD, ABCDEF. Okay, in that A to B, C nodes are there and their value also write down. This what A to B and A to C are present. 623, 345. So write the value that 65, 365. That B to A is edges present, C is present, D is present. So that value will be inserted. I am showing that. B to A, C and D. 200, 6, 2, 2, 3 and 5, 4. This. That's like all are right now. Also matrix also. A to B, C. Vertex list. These are the vertex list. These are the adjacency list. Is below is vertex list. Vertical is the vertex list. Horizontal is the adjacency list. Adjacent to nodes are adjacent vertex are inserted. A to B, C. A to B and C. In there, no any stop that. So in that cell is the cross that. Not in null. So that right there. Next, write that adjacency node The fifth question, fifth example. Okay, for the given graph, write the adjacency list, edges list, and storage representation of adjacency list. Right there. Firstly, write the adjacency list. A to which are the F, C, B. F, C, B only for G and C. C, where C only for F. Only for outgoing node is only for F. So F. D also only for C. Remaining are the incoming. After that E, which are the E? D, J and C. E, and after F where F only for D. G only for write the C and E. Okay, remaining are the incoming, not that write-up. After that J, where J is only for K and D. K only for write the E and G. Okay, these are the adjacency list. After that, solution of edges. How to write the edges? Okay. In that, in curly braces, write down A to F, A to B, A to C. After that, B to C, B to G. Okay, B is complete. C to F, then D to C, E where E to D, E to C, E to J also. After F where F to D. Okay. After that F after G to E, G to C. After that J to D, J to K, D and K. That K to E, K to G, K to E and K to G. These are the edges list. After this is the storage representation of adjacency list. Okay, A to F, C are there. Okay. After B is not any adjacent node, so write the is a null. Also write the null, or also write in previous example. B, G and C are there, so write this like these are the storage representation of the adjacency list. B to C, C to F, D to C, E to D, C, J, F to D, G to C, E, J to D, K, A to E, G. These are the vertex list. These are the adjacent node. In a vertical, vertex list are displayed. In a horizontally adjacent node will be displayed. In a storage representation, it is a storage representation means what? Matrix, sorry, not matrix, adjacency list. Okay. Here complete the representation of graph in under sequential representation and adjacency list. Summary on that today's lecture. These points will be conducted. Continue the assignment number 5. In that said as for the following directed graph, give the adjacency matrix representation and adjacency list. Okay. After that, give the adjacency list and adjacency matrix. This question. Okay. These are the point is important, that not ignore this point. Clear that point. 27 is also clear, given the question graph. In that write the all simple path from 1 to 5. Only for write the path. Means what? Edges list will be displayed. In that write the in degree of and out degree of 4. Fourth node, which are the in degree and out degree out down. Give the adjacency matrix and give the adjacency list of that graph. This 27th question. 28 in that graph will be given in degree of 21. What is the in degree of 21? Write down. Okay. Which are the in degree of 31 and 14. adjacency node of 19. So the adjacency node 1, 21, 12, path of 31, write down. Successor of 67, no any successor because no any node are connected. Okay, that are the answers. I'm given that. After that, okay, this to these questions 28. Here stop on today's lecture. In this lecture any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Okay, thank you.